Thank you, McCall, and thank you all for coming. My name is Thomas. I'm the founder of TidalProphet, a company whose mission it is to leverage improved tidal predictions to turn the tides on climate change. As of 2023, global shipping accounts for 4.9% of all global emissions, and this is only expected to scale to 12% by 2030. This amounts to 700 million tons of CO2 going directly into the atmosphere every single year. And as of now, the maritime industry has done nothing to decarbonize, but we know it needs to do so by 15% from 2022 to 2030 in order to satisfy the Paris Accords. The problem is that the often touted solution to this problem, these being alternative fuel sources such as hydrogen, are at least a decade out in terms of their viability. And they also are an extremely expensive cost to these service providers in order to convert their existing infrastructure. Something that isn't currently talked about within maritime shipping is tidal currents. And this is despite the fact that they have the single largest impact on the operational performance of these ships, but they're not currently integrated into existing route optimization softwares. This is like having a car GPS which doesn't use speed limits. So naturally this raises the question, what if we could actually harness these tides to improve the operational efficiency? And the answer is yes. Our research has shown that by integrating accurate tidal current forecasts into existing route optimization softwares, we can immediately reduce the associated carbon emissions, fuel costs, and transit times by up to 50%. But the reason that no one is doing this is because less than 1% of all tidal currents have been adequately mapped. And this is a consequence of the available solutions being costly, time-intensive, and fundamentally unreliable. So to combat this, we have developed physics-informed machine learning models, which are able to make predicting tidal currents using satellite data theoretically possible for the first time. And we know that no one else is doing this because we derived the physics to do it in the first place. And we've proven our model to work through a pilot study at the largest tidal energy site in the world. Within shipping, we also have a novel method of data extraction. So as I mentioned, currently the way we measure tidal currents is by having a measurement device in the water for an extended period of time, which is impractical and impossible to scale. But what we do is we're able to derive these measurements directly from freely available AIS shipping data. And we can directly integrate this with our ongoing satellite data streams. This means that we can leverage decades of data from millions of ships, combine it with our global satellite observations, which amounts to billions of data points, which we can then combine with our state-of-the-art machine learning to produce the highest accuracy and resolution global tidal current predictions precisely where industry needs them most. I'm building this company alongside my PhD advisor and an expert in commercial development of hydrogen and also marine renewables. We have extensive experience in met-ocean engineering and applied machine learning. We're looking to raise $750,000 in order to build out our tidal current prediction platform, as well as to establish an API for early monetization, and to hire exceptional talent, and of course protect our IP. If you're interested in speaking about shipping or any of our other product offerings across the marine renewables and also the climate adaptation and resilience areas, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.